What's going on, guys? Welcome to another beautiful day here in India. Now your boy flies off back to Japan today. But before I go, I want to hit a spot called Fashion Street, a big tourist spot where they sell all kinds of cheap goods and knockoff copies. But of course first, we gotta hit up the streets of India.
Boy, if you don't 猿になるまで踊りなジャパンメイドな高価なパーティーさエブリブリリナイトでジャングフィーバー俺がジャパファカ常にダンスなパンスパースターなスタンス吸い込んだ中身バッツ日本産飛ぶで2号ちゃんレプなファレルもたど
Alright guys, here it is, Fashion Street. Got all these street vendors. Let's see what they got. Hey, my man got the Ferrari Force Ones, okay. Oh, look up here, they got the Dunks or the Jordan 1s, whichever ones these are. How much are these balls?
$8.50.
$8.50? Man, what is it, like 10 bucks? That's cheaper than Payless.
Cross trainers for as low as $12.99.
And as a kid, I used to go to that spot a lot. Hey, we got some watches over here. Okay, let's see what we got. Man, you got all kinds of watches, man. Got the smart watches right here. Got the Casio. Oh, okay, we got some G-Shocks in here. All right. Got all kinds of colors. I do like me a G-Shock, that's for sure. Now, I just noticed while I was editing, instead of G-Shock, these bad boys say G-Shock.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
And this one says G-Shook. I thought that was hilarious. And yo, what is up with these ashy ass hands?
Ashy Larry.
Man, ashy Larry head ass. Anyways, back to the video. Hey, my man is trying to get this smartwatch set. Okay, go ahead and do your thing, boss. Alright, let's move. Man, my man got all kinds of shoes. But it does kind of look like all the shoes from the first stall. Let's see. Got the kinda Air Maxes. Of course, you gotta have the Panda Dunks. Man, people love these. These are turning into the standard white forces. Personally, I would go for the all-white Bapesters, but hey, that's just me. Got some more Jordan 1 highs. We got the Lost and Founds. Excuse me, how much are these, boss?
These are 1,000 rupees.
1,000 rupees, okay.
These are good quality.
You know what, I'll give them a try. How about that, boss?
This price, this thing. On good quality. Good quality. This one Jordan.
Unfortunately, I didn't cop, but real cool dude. Oh, finally spotted some Yeezys. I'm guessing the frozen yellows. I guess they never seen a shark before.
Man, shut your bitch ass.
A lot of Jordan 1 highs. Got the smoke grays. Got the UNCs on deck. Ain't they dropping some Panda highs next year? Hey, if you want them early, how much for these balls?
600.
600. That is the cheapest of the day.
This imported.
Ah, the Chelsea boots. Haven't seen these in a minute. Dang, boss, if you would have hit me back in 2014. For sure. No thank you, though. And looks like we're at the end of the line. You know, compared to Thailand, not too much variation, not too much selection, but then again, I went to the biggest one in Thailand. This one was still a cool experience for sure. Oh, look at that. I got some Chrome Hearts, some Kenzo. But yeah, you know, it may not be for everybody, but it's always a cool experience. And we're back in Japan. Hope you guys enjoyed my little India trip. That was a little short. I'll be back in India hopefully soon. Now, I do have my next country selected for the Bape Store World Tour. Should I say it? Yeah, why not? As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!